Modern pharmaceutical manufacturing frequently mistakes digital transformation for a procurement exercise, prioritizing the purchase of software and automation hardware over system design. Sustainable Pharma 4.0 requires an enterprise-wide architectural shift that tethers every digital tool to a specific business strategy. This creates a paradox. The industry leads the world in R&D technology, yet physical manufacturing floors often lag in digital maturity. Much of this delay is driven by the rigid constraints of the GXP compliance framework, which governs every stage of production to ensure patient safety. Attempting to plug new IoT or AI tools directly into a traditional siloed GXP environment without an underlying architecture causes the system to fracture. Buying technology without redesigning the operating model leads to stalled pilot programs, leaves critical data stranded, and regulatory audit failures. Building a predictive, patient-centric ecosystem requires constructing a target operating model layer by layer. This sequential architecture embeds regulatory compliance, talent development, and governance directly into the organization's structural data pipelines. The order of operations is fixed. AI implementation depends on data governance, and data governance cannot exist without an integrated shop floor. We will now construct this 7-layer enterprise blueprint, moving from the strategic bedrock to advanced AI. The first layer of the architecture is strategic rather than technical. It defines how the enterprise will utilize digital tools. Organizations begin with a digital maturity assessment to identify capability gaps across strategy, data, and operations before selecting technology vendors. This phase requires active CEO sponsorship to establish vision, set priorities, and enforce accountability. To manage resistance, the organization builds a network of change champions to drive local adoption across global manufacturing sites. Success at this structural foundation is measured by how effectively end users actually utilize these systems in their daily workflows. This leadership layer must also link digital transformation to sustainable growth and responsible resource use. Bypassing these leadership requirements is a primary cause of transformation failure, making any subsequent technology investments unstable. The next layer replaces manual paper systems with connected, data-driven smart manufacturing. Manufacturing execution systems, or MES, and electronic batch records digitize production execution and the subsequent review process. This is achieved through IT-OT integration, connecting physical shop floor machines with information technology data systems. This creates a digital thread that standardizes scalable best practices across every site in the manufacturing network. By capturing real-time machine data, the enterprise can implement predictive maintenance, stopping equipment failures before they disrupt production cycles. The operational end state is a manufacturing control tower, providing exception-based decision support across the entire plant. Without IT-OT integration, machines remain isolated islands of information, preventing plant-wide efficiency. Digital systems in a Pharma 4.0 environment do not bypass quality controls, they structurally enforce them. Quality 4.0 uses connected processes to shift an organization from compliance by inspection to quality by design. In a GXP environment, data must be structurally controlled to ensure its integrity throughout the product lifecycle. This integrity is built on the Alcoa Plus principles, ensuring data is attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate. Computerized system validation, or CSV, formally demonstrates that these digital systems are fit for their intended regulatory purpose. Digital audit trails track every action automatically, providing a higher level of accountability than manual records. If the data cannot be validated to these standards, the underlying digital manufacturing layer remains legally unusable. Once the internal factory is connected and compliant, the architecture expands outward into the digital supply chain. A patient-centric supply chain prioritizes medicine availability and safety over simple factory output. Demand sensing uses near real-time signals to improve forecast accuracy and eliminate inventory blind spots. This patient-centric model also includes strict cold chain monitoring to protect temperature-sensitive biologics during their complex global transit. Serialization provides the digital mechanism for product identification and end-to-end traceability, forming a defense against counterfeiting. This end-to-end visibility creates supply resilience, allowing the enterprise to maintain product flow during market disruptions. The digital supply chain shifts an enterprise from reactive logistics toward proactive patient delivery and partner collaboration. We now reach the final layers required to deploy advanced analytics and artificial intelligence. This layer establishes strict cybersecurity controls to mitigate the risks created by connected OT and IT systems. It mandates third-party risk management for vendors and the transparent tracking of ESG data. At this stage, AI can be applied to solve specific business problems, provided the underlying data is structured and reliable. Responsible AI requires constant human oversight, active model monitoring, and exception handling. AI is not a starting point. It is the capstone of a mature digital architecture that requires standardized data and enterprise governance to function legally. The completed enterprise transformation blueprint represents a unified structural framework where strategy, manufacturing, quality, the supply chain, and AI operate in concert. This integrated model reduces operational costs while building a resilient, compliant organization capable of scaling digital innovation. Such architectural alignment builds confidence with regulators, stakeholders, and the patients who rely on these products. Pharma 4.0 technology is merely the toolset. True transformation is the structural integration of people, processes, and data under a foundation of uncompromising compliance.